Hi there, my name is Gavin. One often hears somebody telling you when you're nervous, just take a few deep breaths and you'll feel better. And you've probably all tried it at some stage and you do feel that it works. We're just going to take it a little bit further and I'll show you some very simple techniques that you can do to help you whenever you feel stressed or anxious or life just feels a little bit too much for you. We're living in a very uncertain time at the moment. We don't know what's going to happen economically, so many challenges. So we can really do this simple exercise at home. You don't need more than 5 minutes and you'll immediately feel better and you'll just be able to cope better. So I'll show you just 2 simple techniques that I do on my own, and it always helps me. You need a very short period of time at home. If you don't have a little private space to do it, you can even go and sit in the bathroom and you can do it there with the door closed. So when we're very nervous, we breathe very shallow. We don't realize it, but we start to breathe in the top parts of our lung. And it's almost like that, but we're not aware of it. But the more nervous we become, or the more anxious we become, we just start to breathing shallower and shallower, and it feels your whole body start to react to that, and it makes you even feel worse. So we're going to just kind of kickstart the lungs by doing some very deep breathing. We're going to start off with breathing as deep as you can, filling your lungs with so much air inside that it feels it's almost going to explode, and then do your exhalation a few seconds longer. Just breathe all the stale air out that's stuck in your lungs. So we start off by breathing through our nostril, and also I want you to try and see that path of the breath going into your body. Just be more aware. So we breathe through our nostrils. See how the air goes down your throat. It fills your lung. You fill it up as much as you can. And when there's almost no space left, you pop out your stomach and you pull even more air into your stomach. And then when you exhale, you feel how you pull your stomach into your spine. It forces the air out into your lung. It forces the air out through your throat and through your nostrils. And we make the exhalation a bit longer than the inhalation, forcing out all that stale air that's stuck in there. So as deep as you can, follow the path of the breath, and exhalation a bit longer than the inhalation. So let's do 2 of that together, and then we move on to the next exercise. So very simple, just kick-starting our lungs. And normally I do about 10 or 15 of those, and then I move on to the second exercise, which is still very much the same. Also doing these deep breaths, exhalation longer, but we're going to hold our breath for, let's say, 8 seconds. Some people prefer to do more, 15 seconds. I normally do 10 seconds, but let's do 8 seconds now. So we still follow the path of the breath through the nostrils, down the throat, into the chest. That expands so much air as you can. If there's no space, pop your stomach out, pull more air in there. Hold the breath for 10 seconds. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. And then again, exhale, pulling the stomach into the spine, force the air out, contract your lungs, the air through your throat, through your nostril, and your exhalation still longer than the inhalation, so you force out all the stale air. So let's do that. We're going to do only 2 of that. Just try it for yourself, that you can feel how easy it is. And again, and we hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and exhalation longer than the in-breath. Very simple. So normally I do about 10 of that, but you can do as many as you like and what you feel worked better for you. So what if this exercise done, all it has done, it has helped us to just kickstart our lungs again. We just forced ourselves to breathe deep again. We exhale a bit longer. We force the old stale air out. Our body immediately gets more oxygen and everything just functions so much better. It's a very simple exercise, but the result is immediate. You don't need a long time to do it. You can do it anywhere where you like. So the power is in your hands. You can do it, and it's just air. It's just pure oxygen. And I hope this may help you, and I want to wish you a beautiful day ahead.